Hello, welcome back to superCoolclues. In this video we are going to look at how to put commas in figures in Microsoft Excel. You have a document which has some figures like you can see here, but without commas, and it's difficult to tell what figure it is. Like there you can see the figure. Is it 350 million, 350 billion, or 350,000? At the end of the day, you want it to look like this document, where you can easily tell that that is the $350 million, actually 350,240,000. To do that, you need to just follow these simple steps. There are several ways to do it, some of which are a bit complicated, but as with all videos in superCoolclues, we give you the simplest method to use. So you do the following. You open Excel in the normal way so that you are able to open the document which contains the figures where you need to put commas. So you do File, Open. If your document is on your desktop, you simply get it from the desktop, but in my case, my document is on a different folder, so I need to go and look for that folder. It's in the superCoolclues folder, and I have a document called Regional Annual Computer Sales 2020. That's the document which I need to work with. As you can see, it has computer sales by region. There's north, east, and west. It shows you the number of units sold, the average unit cost, and then the total per region and the grand total. So as you can see from those figures, without commas, it's a bit difficult to tell what kind of figure these ones are. So to put commas, you highlight the figures where you want to put commas, and if they are just simple numbers, you just click on the comma here under number. As you can see, it brings up the decimal places or decimal points, but the computers we are selling here, we don't sell them in fractions, so we don't need those zeros in the decimal point, so we are going to move them. To move them, you come here. This is to decrease the decimal places, and this is to increase. So we are decreasing, we use this, and you can see they have gone. The same we do the average unit cost. This is in dollars. If it's in dollars, you just click here on the dollar sign, and like before, it brings decimal places which we are not interested in, so we remove them. We go to the amount. We also highlight the amounts, and these are dollars also. We simply click on the dollars, and the figure comes with the commas, but it also have two decimal places which we remove. As you can see in the document there, now the figure is easy to tell that in the north they sold 2,200 units at an average cost of $1,100, ending up with $2.42 million. West sold the largest number of units, 2,600, and at a higher average cost of 1,300, coming up with a total amount of 3.380 million. Overall, it is very clear with the commas now that actually my total sales for the whole nation was at $10,390,000. Once you've done that, then you just save your document as usual, and that would have solved the issue. So the commas Thank you very much for viewing this video. As usual, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to see more of these videos. Subscription, as usual, is free. You don't need to pay anything. You pay no dollars, no euros, no yen, no Uganda shillings. Please come again and view more of these videos as they come on board.